Too much means I eat 2 meals a day. I also do not eat any animal products or processed foods when I'm at home. This is me in 1980. Took me 35 years to gain 120 pounds. And I was really sick with food and drink related illnesses. And this is me 32 3/4 months later. And healthy, up and about. And this is me and Richard outside the house a couple months ago. And in the woodshed here over to Mom and Dad's. It's becoming to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. Haha. I just had to get these two in the picture. It's snowing. Bridges freeze before road. There's ice in the pond over there, peeps.
Oh yeah, I guess there is.
But it doesn't freeze solid because the river comes in, the tide comes in.
Oh, it's high too, look at it.
Yeah, the tide is high. That song, the tide is high, and I don't know the rest of it. I won't get a copyright for that.
Just take your time today, eh?
Yeah.
You want to go look at the river?
Alright, sure. Oh, the 103 is just as bad as our road.
Everybody's going to start tonight.
Yeah, this takes me back to 1989. Not 89, it must have been 88. When we went to Liverpool for a bucket of chicken.
Oh, that day.
KFC was there then, in Liverpool.
That day.
Yeah, there's the river. Oh yeah, the water's high. Yeah, remember we started out in our little what was it, 1979 Pinto?
Yeah.
And it was in the year 88 because it was before the plant closed. Might have been 87. I don't know what year it was. And anyway, we went to Liverpool for a bucket of chicken, and on the way the snow was hardly started, and by the time we come home, and I was driving, and the road was just completely white, and you couldn't see the lines or the side of the road. And I hit the edge of the pavement, and the car twirled around and around, and well, I don't know how many times.
Brakes.
Anyway, and so when I got done, I was on the other side of the road, nosed into the ditch, but not into the ditch, but just so that we couldn't get out. So we had to call a tow truck from Lockport, and he come and he towed us out, and then he went ahead of us, and we was behind him, and we couldn't get up, what, Broad River Hill?
Yep.
Yeah, so he towed us up that road too. Up that hill too. Oh boy. Hun. No! 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 I said.
I will put back and forward, guys. Just turned around.
Anyway, so by the end of the day, or by the time we got home, by the time we paid a babysitter, it was, gee, babysitter.
Did we have a babysitter way back then?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did. So that would take us back to, oh, how many years ago? We're 80. 30 some years, yeah. The kids are only 48 and 49 now, so take that back 38 years. Well, anyway, 32 years or something, 38. Anyway, so babysitter, bucket of chicken. What did we get? A bottle of rum?
Oh, probably.
And the tow bill, it cost us $175 for that evening. Oh, so we didn't try that trick again.
Got a chicken though.
Yeah, we got the chicken though, yeah. I don't know where it was, maybe by that way back then. Maybe it didn't make me sick when it was in the vehicle with me.
No, it didn't.
Yeah. Well, I did, but not that bad. Yeah, because I started getting them in the early 70s. When I first, well, it first started, I just got a headache from aftershave, or I couldn't wear lipstick or makeup anymore. And that was in the early 70s. So that's just a little bit of story time in this snowy day.
It's a snowy winter day.
Yeah, so somebody just had to go to town, so
you had to tag along.
well, air miles for taters today, so yeah. And then I'll eat my supper at home. So I might as well turn this off for now then.
Okay.
Over and out. Yeah, over and out. Oh, wood smoke got in here past those houses. Window down a crack each.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
Yeah. Alright. Over and out. I just gotta see if he's got a mask on him. Yeah, he's got one. There he goes. Still lots of cars here in this parking lot. Let's see. What earrings has she got on today? Aren't they sweet? I forget who gave them to me. Probably one of my daughters. Probably the youngest one. There's another one over here just like it. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, it's pretty snowy. It melted on that window, but because we had the heater on, the defroster, so. Have a look at the trees. This is starting to gather up on the branches of the trees, so we're just going to check the generator in case the lines go out, the power lines tonight. A line of traffic coming here. We never used to have traffic between Shelburne and our place. Up here. Where'd that brook go? Did we pass it? They say big flakes, small snow, small flakes, big snow. So, I don't know. They're forecasting quite a bit. Where are we doing this grocery haul at? Trailer?
Yeah.
You want a what?
Oh, that yellow line.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the other 2 sticks of wood to do.
Okay, yeah. Alright then. We're on the new highway now. We got two miles.
Yeah.
2 miles of new highway.
New pavement.
Yeah, new pavement. And they extended it out on each side about a foot. and they went and they cut the bushes all along the edges. It looks like somebody else's highway on some other part of the province. But now our part of the province looks, I thought something was passing us. Oh, you got two black ones. No wonder I'm mistaken.
Yep.
This is his black one, this is my red one, and then he's got another black one like this that's fatter, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. See? Twins. There you go. If I knew that before, I wouldn't even dismantle my red one. Nobody tells me the difference.
Well, I thought I did.
Woo! Keep this one in my pocket for when I'm in the porch and can't see where to put the key. Well, I didn't eat with this dirty fork.
What you do? Use your dirty fingers?
Yes, I used my fingers. It got smell on my fingers again. Oh, look at all those Christmas trees looking. It's pretty, people. It's really pretty, but it can be dangerous on the road, and it can take down our power lines. Don't want that tonight. Yeah, I wanted the electric blankets off of those beds upstairs. To have at the house if the power goes out. We can still plug them in and be warm in the bed. One time, years ago, when I was alone at the trailer,
There we go.
we was on our break, and power went out for 4 days. Wow. And you know, I can't just go to anybody's house because of the perfume smells they have in their houses. And it was winter and it was cold. I was in bed with coats on and everything for all that time, just getting out not long enough to have something to eat or use the bathroom. And it was so cold in there that the drip from the kitchen tap had an icicle on it. And that's when I decided, well, I gotta go somewhere. I forget where I went. I must have went over to Mom and Dad's. Because it was wood smoke, but at least it wasn't perfumey in those years. Oh boy, we're going really slow. Yeah, you don't want to wipe out on this corner with a car there.
What?
Don't even! Don't, honey, please.
See, that's the difference of four-wheel drive and not four-wheel drive.
Now you got me cranky and mad.
I just showed you what it was like.
I didn't want to see.
That wasn't that bad anyway.
That's where we walked sometimes. Slush on the water over there.
Water's still high.
Because it's mixed. Salt water mixed with,
Catch bees all day.
yeah, salt water mixed with fresh water.
Right up to the park.
Yeah, well, I don't know if there's any fresh water or not.
No, it's probably all salt.
Yeah. Probably all salt, yeah. He covered the wood up, guys, on the trailers. Look, a big making it little. He just stopped on the hill just to show off his four-wheel drive skills. Yeah, look what he did. There's a mother and a baby. Oh my goodness, look.
So it is.
And they're cute. Oh my goodness, how crazy is the birds? Well, the birds aren't crazy.
No, you just said it.
Okay, we gotta get out and check on this fire. That means I gotta get out if I want. They put 2 sticks of our hardwood in it from down.
And all we had was coals.
And all there was coal, so
Hopefully not going down.
can't be that green.
Buddy that just got a cord said burn. Excellent.
Oh, well, that's good recommendation. Not recommendation, but well, it's a good, yeah, recommendation. A review.
I got another stick of hardwood right here.
You? Hon. It didn't grow legs and move away. There's one there.
I was going to put it in.
That's a nice stick of it would have been warmer in here, wouldn't it? Nice stick of maple. Is it splitting good? Are you splitting it?
Yeah, it's split wood. Yeah, it would have been a lot warmer if I had 3 sticks in there.
Yeah.
But it lasted all that time. We went shelving back.
Yeah, well, how long? I don't know what time we left.
We left before dinner.
11.
30 or something like that.
No, it was after 11.
I'll be around 11:30.
Very. He thinks he's so smart. And funny. Well, actually, he is both. Very funny.
Yeah, 11:30.
There, it's taken off.
2 sticks last an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I'll get a little more draft down this way.
That would be better, like, if you was going to stay overnight on the weekend or something.
Yeah, put 2 of them in and we go all night.
Yeah.
We're going to wake up and cold.
Yeah. But there is 2 stoves here if it's bitter cold.
Yeah.
But he's usually dressed for winter, so. Yeah, I don't think it needs more draft. I think it's going to go.
Like that, then.
Yeah.
Should there or up there.
Yes, I know,
No
hon.
difference.
I know, hon. I know. Okay, I'm going to shut this one off because we're going to start a grocery haul.
Okay. So what is it?
This is me driving home from the house. The grocery haul is going to follow. I didn't forget. It's beginning to look a lot like winter everywhere we go. Oh, I spinned a little bit. Felt like it. Home sweet home, nothing like it. What up? Because it's snowing and oh, the deck has got snow on it again. He cleaned it out, but take my dirty fork in. No water. Put my gloves on. Should have left the wipers on. I will try to remember another day. That green cart was giving me a hard time. Richard fixed it. He put it in so effortlessly. Mommy! It's only Mommy! Bag of salt. Mommy. Howdy, Mama. I'm like a snowman. Ha. This is the bag of salt. Now let me get my keys. Hands are cold now. Mommy, it's only Mommy. Mommy! Kelly's still behind the curtain. Missy's still asleep in my place on the bed there. Ah. Oh, that was refreshing though. My nose is red. Like Rudolph's. Yeah, I gotta take the gloves off. I gotta leave my boots on the mat so the snow melts before I put them in there. Yeah, so. That's how I lay them on the mat until they dry. Okay, I'm gonna 1:15. I'm gonna get ready. Kitty cat. Messy girl. Messy girl. Smile for the camera. And we don't know where Callie is. We don't know where she is. She must be lost. Alright, let's go get out of these layers of clothes. I just kicked the cat food bucket. One of the cat food dishes, I mean. Layers and layers. Oh, you can barely see me. This stuff in the way. This is my good shirt. I wear this going out under my red hoodie. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna get out of these and get in the house clothes, and that's it. Au revoir.